Hello, good morning, students. Today we have to finish the last portion of the chapter number 3, two stories of flight from first flight. So, open your book on page number 38. I couldn't believe my eyes. The compass was turning round and round and round. It was dead. It would not work. The other instruments were suddenly dead too. I tried the radio. The weather was not good, and due to bad weather and dark clouds were there in the sky, the compass stopped working, and other instruments of his plane were also suddenly dead. And he tried the radio. Paris control, can you hear me? There was no answer. The radio was dead too. Radio was also not working. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see where I was, because without these instruments one cannot uh, take any decision while flying the aeroplane, and he could not see where he was, and he was lost in the storm. Then in the black clouds quite near me, then in the black clouds quite near me, I saw another aeroplane. In the black clouds, when he was surrounded by black clouds, he suddenly saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings, but I could see it flying next to me through the storm. The It had no lights, and it's on wings. Lights were not on wings, but he he could see it flying next to me through the storm. It was flying through the storm next to his aeroplane. I could not. I could see the pilot's face turned towards me. I was very glad to see another person in in such a critical situation and dangerous situation. When he saw the pilot's face in another aeroplane, uh, he was very glad to see. He lifted one hand and waved. Follow me, he was saying, follow me. He knows that I am lost. The pilot in the another other aeroplane understood very well that he was lost. So he waved his hands and uh, asked him to follow. He is trying to help me. Me here means the narrator. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of my Dakota. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of my Dakota, so that it would be easier for me to follow him. The pilot was making efforts to give the correct direction to the narrator. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. In such a critical and dangerous situation, he was following the another aeroplane, strange aeroplane, as an obedient child. After half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me in the clouds. Even half an hour after, the strange black aeroplane was there in front of him in the clouds. Now there was only enough fuel in the old Dakota's last tank to fly for 5 or 10 minutes more. Only the last part of the uh, remaining fuel was only for flying for 5 or 10 minutes. I was starting to feel frightened again, and due to this situation, he again became afraid, and but then he started to go down and followed through the storm. लेकिन तभी वो नीचे जाने लगा और मैं तूफ़ान में उसके पीछे पीछे चला गया. Suddenly I came out of the clouds and saw two long straight lines of lights in front of me. Suddenly what he saw, first he came out of the clouds, he came out of the storms and saw two long straight lines of lights in front of him. It was a runway. Which place was it? It was runway, an airport. I was safe now. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane. I turned to look for. To look for means to find out. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. On that place, when he reached there, on an airport where two straight lines of lights were there in front of him. When he looked around to look for that friend in the black aeroplane, he disappeared from there, and there was nothing there. The black aeroplane was gone. I could not see it anywhere. The black aeroplane, which showed him the way and gave him good and accurate direction, it vanished from his sight. I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. क्या होता है? आई लैंडेड, उसने फिर क्या हुआ कि वहाँ उसने अपना एरोप्लेन नीचे उतारा. यह एक रनवे, मतलब मैं अपने दोस्त को रोशनी वाले हवाई जहाज़ में देखने के लिए मुड़ा, लेकिन आकाश खाली था. वो बगैर रोशनी वाला हवाई जहाज़ जा चुका था. वो मुझे कहीं पर भी नज़र नहीं आया. मैं ज़मीन पर उतरा और मुझे जो कंट्रोल टावर होता है, कंट्रोल सेंटर, कंट्रोल टावर के पास पुराने डकोटा से जाने का दुख नहीं था. मैंने नियंत्रण केंद्र में यानी कि कंट्रोल रूम में जाकर एक महिला से पूछा मैं कहाँ पर था और दूसरा पायलट कौन था. मैं कहना चाहता था, आपका उस पायलट का धन्यवाद देना चाहता था. एंड शी लुक्ड एट मी वेरी स्ट्रेंजली एंड देन laughed. Another aeroplane? In a great surprise, she looked at him and exclaimed with surprise by saying these words, another aeroplane? Up there in this storm? No, other aeroplanes were flying tonight. Yours was the only one I could see on the radar. सिर्फ तुम्हारा ही एरोप्लेन जो है राडार पर जो जो है कि देख सकती थी मैं. Only one aeroplane. So who helped me? He asked again. In return, who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in my tanks? Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? So this question remained unanswered. ये बिना जवाब का निरुत्तर कर देने वाला सवाल इस चैप्टर में बाकी रह गया. अब आप समझ सकते हैं कि वो एरोप्लेन कौन सा था, वो पायलट कौन था और वो कैसे गायब हो गया और कहाँ चला गया होगा. तो these questions rise in our minds and this is the suspense. Okay, so it is complete today and you have to do its question answers and complete all these answers by from your text and do all these question answers in your notebooks. So be safe, stay safe at home and take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.